Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add advanced carousel using plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write jet widget for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page. On left side you see search widget, so write here advanced carousel. So this is jet widget add-on, so you can add it any page. So drag and drop here. Now you see advanced carousel added, and then you see slide item 1, 2, 3. If you want you can add more. You see add item button, so click on it. Now you see item 4 added. Now we have 4 slide. Now you see image, title, description. So you can add image, title, description for advanced carousel according to your requirement. Now expand it. Now you see choose image. Now select image and then click on select. Now image added, and then you can add item title and item description according to your requirement, and then you see item link. If you want you can add link, and then you see item button text, read more. Now you see read more button added, so it's up to you. And then you see item 2, so you can add image, title, description, link, button text according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see settings, so click on it, and then you see item layout simple. So this is a simple layout. Now drop down select banner, so this is our banner layout. Now you see, and then you see animation effect, so you see multiple effect. Now select, so you can select according to your requirement. Now you see, and then you see image size full, and then you see vertical carousel equal column height enable, and then you see column width, slide to show 2, slide to scroll 1. If you want you can show 3. Now you see, and then you see show arrow navigation enable, arrow icon you can select according to your requirement, and if you want you can enable dot navigation, so it's up to you. Now you see dot navigation added, and then you see additional options, so click on it. Pause on hour enable, autoplay, so you can set speed, infinite loop enable animation speed, and then on top you see style, so click on it. Column padding margin, banner item. Now you see additional element color, background type, classic, opacity. You see item title typography. Now you see typography pencil icon, so click on it. So you can set font family, font size, weight, transform style according to your requirement. And then you see carousel arrow, dots, so you can set color scheme according to your requirement, and then click on update. Now update done, go to page and refresh the page, and then scroll down. So this is our advanced carousel. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.